Boom. Okay, welcome to Friday. Those of you that did not make it to class, sorry. You guys missed 2 presentations that were awesome. So let's go with homework questions. Let's see, we did, is it 10.2? Let me change my pen here real quick here. 10.2. We can also do what, 10.3 if there's time or if there are questions. Go for it. 23. And 41. Okay, Noah, did you have any beyond that? 27. Okay.
I had a question about 2027. Can you do graph on a calculator? You have to draw the graphs on the paper.
Yes.
Is it, you just say
By drawing the graph.
Yeah, sketch it on your sheet of paper. Yeah. So question is,
That's not even a graph. Okay. Do the sketches have to be good? Okay.
yeah, whenever it says to draw on a calculator, just sketch it on your sheet of paper. Yep. And 11, perfect. Okay, any others? Going once, going twice.
Wait, for
27.
10.3, can we do number 31?
31, sure, absolutely. And let's jam. So I'm going to jump back to 11 real quick here, just so we can go in order. Number 11, 10.2. You'll find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola, and then sketch the graph.
No. No, I have too much pain.
One's reading.
Okay, we good? Talk to me. Anybody that did 11?
On what?
Spark notes.
Number 11.
The honors reading.
No one knows
I don't know what it is.
Honestly, Mr.
I don't know.
McCoy uses the same ideas for all of the
There's
authors'
no-
books. We can probably just talk about R or something and he'll give us a new grade. Piety, exactly. PA
In
tops.
the closed class, I'm with 2.
I did just kind of put it
and
back,
2
so I
essays
probably
doing the next 2
check
weeks.
so it's tired.
Gotcha, okay. 0, the way I like to do this is to put a 4 in front. Is that good there? Because that's the p-value. And you got yourself a what, 1/8 then? Next card. Is that true? Is that good?
Oh, yes. I see.
So the formula, the generic formula for it is, it's gonna be y minus k. There you go. That's probably a little better explanation here. So it's 4 times p, and then it's x minus h.
Really?
And then p cannot be equal to 0, or else you have a line at that point. And then the horizontal axis, the directrix equation is x is equal to h minus p. And this is a vertical line, right? You guys? That's a vertical line. Oh, let me take care of my chicken scratch here. There. And so the graph of it kind of sort of looks like this. And then that's x squared, right? With the 1/2 in front. It's a little bit more wide, but not by much. So 0, 0, according to the formula, because there's no x, there's no y minus anything. There's no x minus anything. Is right. Am I in the right spot?
Yeah.
What was like the format?
No.
Just the 1s and 0, 0.
Sorry, yeah, I'm in the wrong one here. Sorry, guys.
Oh,
Scratch everything you just learned.
right.
I took the wrong, is the vertical axes. It's this equation right here, x minus h. They're a whole bunch better. For p, that's y minus k. Is that going to be a whole bunch better?
I mean, there was the ones below that are like, if it has a point at 0, 0, the vertex is at 0, 0, then that isn't a specific format.
Is this gonna be on our final test?
Maybe.
Like x squared equals like y.
So I'm going to make,
Something from chapter 10.
let's see. I'm going to make this.
Like in theory, it's easy. In practice, I don't know.
Chapter 9 was like a high point. Chapter 10 was
Just a dumb.
Yeah, chapter 10 was.
Okay, I'm going to make this guy look like.
You know, he's really like the formula for this one, right?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Mhm.
True. Yeah. I'll just do it the way it's, because the more difficult ones are going to be like that too. So making this guy look like this guy, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Would that work? Then I got myself x squared is equal to 2y. Does that make sense? Now it looks just like the formula. Oh, there's a little 4 there as well. So let's see, let's make it 4 times what gives you a y? Or 1/2? Would it be 1/2 there? Would that work? So I got my x. So if you want to make it just like this, it would be kind of like x minus 8, 0 squared. There's my 4, my p-value is the 1/2, and it's y minus 0. Okay, does that connect everything now? So now you know h and k is 0. It is at the origin. Perfect. There's my vertex. My directrix is y minus is equal to k minus p. So in this case, 0 minus 1/2 or negative 1/2 is my directrix equation here. I got the vertex and the focus. All yours, guys. How do we get the focus? That's the fun part. So the parabola's going down in here.
One point is h and the next point is k
Was
minus
that H and
p.
E?
Right?
Sorry. Abby, almost there here. Here's that guy. Okay, explain, go for it. How do we get the focus? No, okay. Anybody with focus? 0 1/2. How come, Luke?
The focus was like H minus P, right? Or it was like H and then K minus P. It was
K minus P, that's for the directrix. That's what this guy is right here.
Can you go back to the last slide?
Sure.
What is, how do you get, like, where the x squared equals 2y?
Well, we multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 1/2.
I'll just flip it
multiply
around.
squared.
It was this, and then I flipped and I put the x on the other side. So it looked just like this equation here. Hawk, good, good. Okay, Luke, back to you here. How do we get the focus?
So, well, the formula for the focus was like, it was either H or K, depending on if it's a vertical or horizontal, right? For the first, like for the x coordinates, like H or K, I don't remember which one, and then it's either, if it wasn't H, if it was H, then it was K minus P, but
Was it? K
Yeah.
minus p is for the directrix you said, so it'll be k plus p.
it said the thing somewhere, yeah.
On page 736 in your textbook here, there's the 4 different, way in the bottom, there's the 4 different possibilities for the,
That shows the formulas.
and it shows the formulas with the graph of them. So there's kind of 2 different ways to do it. If you know where the vertex is, and you know this has a gap of a negative 1/2, so all we do is we just flip it, and this one would then be the flip of it. So it's the distance away, back up. So we're still horizontally, we're still at 0, but now we go up by a 1/2. Or you could do it by page 376, which they actually give you. It's for a parabola that's facing up. It is formulas H, and then it is K plus P, and really.
Plus, okay. Well, there we go.
Mhm,
Oh, that would explain some things.
mhm.
Okay, so this is-
So graphically or formulaically, however you want to get there. We're good? Okay, let's jam. Next one, 23. Let's see how much we can do before time runs out. 23, y squared plus 6y plus 8x plus 25. Oh my.
Just was weird to do like flip square.
So let's jam with it just because of time remaining here. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here, leave some space. And then, oh, not some space, just some space. Then we're gonna put, let's see. That's fun. Let's see which way I want to do it. I think I'm gonna move it to the other side here.
That's how.
So- So minus 8x minus 25. Let's move that to the other side.
Examples in this chapter and offer. Yeah, but they have like,
Well,
at least some decent ones that explain what this one.
I somehow succeeded anyway, so.
Yeah.
I didn't do that, I just subtracted 16.
I just
Oh.
really
Because
wanted.
I wanted it to be 9.
I just really wanted it to be square.
Yeah, like, it was just.
Okay.
I just needed to make that 9.
For it to be a square.
So,
Minus 16. I was thinking, once we solve it like this, I think we'll see it here. So let's pull out a negative 8.
I still got it mostly right, so. You know
Plus
what, that's what matters, I call that a win.
Cool. And then let's put into our form.
Well, it's so much nicer.
So we need a 4 out here. And then we have an x plus 2. What would that be?
That's -2.
Negative 2. Cool. So that means that's our p-value there. Here's my, so horizontal or vertical this time? Horizontal.
It's negative.
And that's the k value now. That's still h. And so just start it because I think we'll have to finish on this one here.
Well, it's already full.
I forgot to expand.
And does it open up to the left or to the right? That's the next question.
Just to go left.
The vertex, whatever it's called, is.
No, it's not still.
See again, 3, 2, uh-huh.
We have a next one.
So negative 3,
No,
1,
it's
2,
just-
3.
Oh,
Oh, so-
no, we do.
I
Yeah,
know, I
negative
keep
2.
thinking that,
Negative
And I get hopeful.
I thought it
Oh, right
was
there?
the end.
I keep thinking.
No, down.
Mrs. Aquas, very honest, was like, I
Sorry,
don't want to
down.
say that.
Yeah.
Somehow.
No.
Down here,
-3, not positive. -3, -2. right?
negative, negative 2, negative 3. You're good. Because there's the x value, and x value represents the h backwards.
They switched.
Laughing turns into crying. That literally.
So it's horizontal form, it's like the y
Just be
squared.
quiet about it, just put it in the corner,
Uh-huh.
so
And,
We voiced it.
and let's see, and it's opening up because the p-value is a negative p-value. That means it opens up to the left. If it was positive, it would open up to the right. On the horizontal, on the vertical ones, if p-value is positive, it opens up and goes down. So that's an easy one. I would say this, guys, real quick here. Page 736 is gonna be your friend. The middle of the page gives you all the formulas, and right underneath it gives you the graphs and all the different graphical equations. We got 736, middle of the page gives you formulas, bottom of the page gives you all the geometric
I have
pieces.
still written that page down on my page.
Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, no, hold on. We still have another 5 minutes. Great.
27.
27.
Wait, so that was the answer to this.
I just set it up just so I can get to 27 here, but from here, can you guys go from here? Because that's just like number 11 then. It's just, I think that's the tough part, is getting to this stage here. 27. Find the vertex focus direction and use the graphing utility to graph the parabola. Okay, at this point, I think we're in the right spot here. So let's see, y squared plus y, leave a little space, move the x to this side. All right, and then let's see, I'm going to take this 1 that's right here. And divide it by 2 makes a 1/2 now. If I square it, I'm actually just adding in a 1/4 only. Let me check something out real quickly here. Okay, yeah, I did it right. Okay, adding a 1/4 into here as well then. And so now I have myself a y plus 1/2 to the second power. Oh boy. Looks like I am just taking out a negative out of this. X. Noah's question is, why do we get 9 for the other one? Anybody?
Why didn't we get 9 for the previous one?
We did.
We added 9 to one side,
Yeah, never mind.
one to the other. No problem.
Is it a plus 1/2?
It is y plus 1/2. Is equal to, and then I need a 4 over here. So then this guy would have to be a negative 1/4. And this would be x minus 1/4. Okay, I think we have all the information we need from here on out. Now refer back to page 736, and you should be able to get all the rest of the information.
Yes.
If you are ready to turn in 10-2, you can. If you need a little bit more time with 10-2.
I'm done. Please take it. No, but I don't want to. So I accept my move.
Where's 10.3?
Not today.
Wednesday of next week,
When?
and no school Monday. And should we get to 41 at least?
Why not? Whatever.
Yeah, let's see.
We're not, no, all the finals are so spread out. It's like why are we even having finals? No one wants to be at
I don't
school anymore.
Mhm.
I wish we would have
No,
our
good.
finals like
Sweet.
just a couple weeks earlier,
I
maybe like
know.
beginning of May, and then you can just coast.
I'm like the last week before school.
Or like this year, the fact that we came back from winter break and then immediately had finals. I thought that was a good idea. Not me. I just want to talk as well.
Okay, 41. Let's go with it here. So I'm trying to, let's see, it's a face down parabola. You guys tell me what's the generic formula with a minute left.
X
X minus
H
H
squared equals.
P. That one.
It needs to have a negative.
Oh, it needs to have a negative. So that little P value will probably be negative for us here. So then we have this. What's it going to be? This. Then we have 4. Then we have P value, which we don't know yet, but we do have a Y. What is that? Minus. Everybody okay with Y minus 1? So I got a question for you guys. Do we know everything here besides P? Yeah. So all we need is, we need another point. It doesn't matter what point it is. We just need an extra point that we can plug in, and then we'll have one equation and one variable. So if I go like this, it's going to be 4 minus 3 squared is equal to 4 times P, whatever that is. And it's 0 minus 1. So I have myself an equation. Negative 4P, and have a P equals a negative 1/4. Done. Are we good? Okay, from there, does it say standard form? Standard form. Yep, and then we're good to go. And we're out of time as well. So guys, enjoy the weekend, enjoy Monday. See you guys Wednesday with 10.3 in hand. Or yeah, and if you needed extra time for 10.2, please take that time. Or
Worst thing is that I know I'll enjoy the weekend and then I'll regret it
Oh,
later
yeah.
because I didn't do enough.
Like 2 essays.
I'll be like, I'm relaxed.
And,
and more presentations on Wednesday, right?
No.
That's a long weekend, so I can like sit in that pain.
I just wanna
I
make
just
sure.
accepted that I'm not gonna actually get it the rest of this weekend. This weekend is purely.
Yeah, and more presentations on Wednesday, right?
Okay.
Hawkland and Luke, Noah, and